Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. A very happy Friday out there to everybody watching today. I'm so excited because I did another 7 looks video. I have so much fun filming these. I'm not sure if you guys are really liking them. I like them. I like to see the footage back and see what worked, what didn't, and it really does help because I do take notes, but it does help with final thoughts and reviews and everything like that. But today we're going to get into the ABH Carli Bybel collab palette, and yeah, let's get into it. So ABH decided to do a collab for their holiday release with Carli Bybel, and I absolutely love this. This does retail for $45, which is pretty standard for their palettes. There is 2 rows of 14 shades. And I will try to remember to insert some swatches that I did take outside. If not, head over to my Instagram. I will have some lovely swatches over there in natural daylight for you to see this. And I really am just kind of fast forward you guys through 7 looks and then give you some final thoughts at the end of the video. So grab your coffee, grab whatever you're drinking for the moment, and let's watch some tutorials.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't breathe without your love. Your love. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't live
Seventh and final look that I did create this week using the Anastasia Carli Bybel palette right here. I wasn't really gonna run out and grab this. I knew I was gonna get it before it was gone. I seen it in person. But anyways, let's talk about the palette. It does look like it has these jewels. It is still cardboard. It's slightly raised, but it is really memorizing because you can stare at it and you're like, there's a lot of me staring back at me. So I really, really love the packaging design. It's very feminine, very girly. You do get the plastic sheet as always and the mirror in here as well as the ABH brush. I don't like the brush. It was really hard to work with. I feel like it really did a lot of kick up and pan with this brush and then follow. I haven't had follow it all week. I haven't had a problem with too much like dust in the pans, but with this brush, there's a lot of both. So I don't It's the brush. I love the formula. There is one, I don't know where the packaging is. Okay, trying to decipher on the back of the box. I know one of these two shades right here is a pressed pigment. I think I'm reading it as this one. Which may cause some staining, in case you're sensitive. I am very sensitive. I usually do have, like, staining, and I don't, using either of these, actually. So, just be forewarned, it does say not intended for the eyes, but, I mean, we all put them on our eyes. But in case you are sensitive, just beware. I really, really love all of these shades. I love that I can do a very, very neutral look. I did do a few neutral, very, very neutral looks, just in case this is another one of those palettes that you look at and you're like, I don't think those colors are really for me. Oh, they're so beautiful, and I really love the duo chrome of this on the inner corner. I just think it's very fun and very different to my collection, especially this top row. Can I cover it all? Almost. I can cover almost all of it, but anyways, it's very, very cool tone, and it just reminds me of, like, snow and snowflakes, and it's just, it's goodness. And then you have the warm berry tones for the holidays down here. I think this is an all-around great palette. I'm so happy to have it, and congratulations, Carli, on another fantastic collab. So with that all being said, this palette is what, $45? I think it's $45. Do I think it's worth it? I kind of do. If you don't have a lot of these shades, or you're drawn to these shades, I definitely think there's a beautiful story here, and a ton of looks that you can create. I hope I did help everybody out by doing a bunch of different looks with this palette. I tried to use all of them. I watched the footage back this morning. I think I got all those shades. I think I got all of them. But anyways, I don't think I could pick a single shade. I love all of them. They're so just, oh, they give me warm fuzzies every time I sit down and I'm like, what do I want to do? I love all of them, and I'm not a colorful person. I tend to stay away, but yet here we are with a bunch of colors on our eyes, and I love it. I do wish this shade was just a smidge darker, but I mean, that's my own personal preference. I can get by just fine with what's in this palette. I don't think I need to pull in anything in case I was traveling. So it is, I enjoy it. I really, really am happy I have it. Like I said, I knew I was going to buy it, but I wasn't sure I was going to buy it this soon. I thought it was going to be like a December kind of purchase, but life happened. I touched it. I was in store. But let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Are you planning on picking up? Did you already pick it up? What do you think of it? And do you like these 7-look kind of videos? I have been trying it out all week, and I really like to do that because then I could really sit down and I have a good feeling for the palette. And I am very happy with this palette. I'm almost glad I didn't wait for it, if that makes sense, because my birthday's in November, so if I got this in December, I'd miss, like, I don't know that I'm going to wear this for my birthday, but I mean, it's fun. I really, really, I'm very happy that I grabbed it. But anyways, I hope you guys had a great time. I hope you enjoyed the looks. I would love it if you gave this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos that we do, and share with your friends. I will see everybody in the next video. Bye.